Buto ni tatay.
Yan si tatay, nanay. Malayo,
Baby mo, yung sinabay.
Andyan na.
Nalusang.
Nalusang rin.
Sobrang malalim siya.
Puno kasi siya.
Ha?
Marami siyang kasama, hindi na makilala kung nasaan siya.
Just the name na lang.
Pangalan niya.
Don't need to wait for the other one.
Yes, ate.
Pero mas
Because they're leaving at 5. Yeah. But Net said we'll just go ahead and we'll just eat.
Where's the hand?
Net said just go ahead, finish it. I told them that that it's only 5 o'clock. The workers. Okay, tatay, you're now in better place. You're now in better place. Mapapasyalan ka na nila, namin lahat, taon-taon. Wala ka na sa apartment. Sa apartment, hindi mo malang matiri ka na ng taas eh.
It's 20. So,
Ah,
so many years from now,
mm.